Most people buy cars thinking they know what reliability means, but months of analyzed crash test data, maintenance records, and owner reports from over 50,000 vehicles shows the truth about which 2025 cars actually last might shock you. Before revealing the top 5, here's something that changes everything about how you should think about car reliability. The automotive industry has a dirty secret. Manufacturers design cars to survive warranty periods, not necessarily to last decades. That's why the vehicles on this list stand out so dramatically from everything else on the market. Each one breaks this pattern in a specific way that saves owners thousands of dollars over time. Number 5 on this list represents something remarkable in hybrid technology. The 2025 Toyota Camry Hybrid continues serving as one of the most dependable mid-size sedans available, but not for the reasons most people think. The hybrid system builds on years of refinement, delivering smooth transitions between electric and gas without causing sudden changes in performance that stress the drivetrain. What makes this different from other hybrids becomes clear when looking at long-term ownership data. Owners consistently report low maintenance costs and extended service intervals, and the car avoids the complex technologies that often create problems in newer vehicles. The battery management system doesn't just work well initially, it maintains performance consistency even after 100,000 miles of use. The structure remains stable over time, showing minimal wear in critical components like the suspension and brakes. Most reports show this vehicle can cover high mileage without developing major drivetrain issues, which places it among the most cost-efficient long-term sedans to own in its segment. But wait until you see what number 4 brings to the table. Number 4 might surprise you because it represents old-school engineering in a modern package. The 2025 Honda Civic has earned trust over the years due to its stable build quality and consistent engineering approach. The 2025 version retains a proven drivetrain layout and avoids experimental technology that might lower reliability. Here's a Honda did differently. The car comes equipped with parts that have been stress-tested over several generations, reducing the likelihood of early mechanical failures. This isn't about cutting costs. It's about using components with known performance characteristics rather than rushing new technology to market. The Civic remains easy to service, with affordable replacement parts widely available at virtually any auto parts store. For those seeking dependable transportation that doesn't break down under typical use, this compact sedan remains a standout choice. Reports from long-term owners confirm that even after extended use, the car maintains fuel economy and cabin structure integrity without the gradual degradation seen in many competitors. But the real story starts with number 3, and this one changed how engineers think about hybrid reliability. The 2025 Toyota Prius has been known for its longevity and predictable maintenance patterns, but the latest model continues that trend with incremental improvements rather than radical changes that introduce new failure points. The battery management system stands out as particularly well-engineered. It's optimized for balanced power usage, avoiding sudden drops in efficiency over time that plague other hybrid systems. Drivers across multiple regions have reported consistent fuel consumption even after years of use, and there are fewer electrical issues compared to other hybrids in the same class. With a simplified cabin interface and fewer unnecessary electronics, the 2025 Prius avoids the breakdown risks that come with overly complex touch-heavy systems. Reliability ratings remain high across independent surveys, and the maintenance schedule stays predictable year after year. This consistency matters more than most people realize when calculating total cost of ownership. Number 2 represents something special in automotive engineering, and the story behind this choice reveals why certain manufacturers consistently build longer-lasting vehicles. The 2025 Honda Accord stays within its trusted formula, offering a balanced powertrain, a proven platform, and strong long-term dependability that sets it apart from competitors constantly changing their approach. The engine design in this model has minimal known weak points, and its transmission shows strong durability under regular use conditions. Brake wear, tire longevity, and fluid systems all show consistent performance across test intervals. Unlike many rivals that switch layouts or onboard systems year to year, this car sticks to what has worked before, giving it an edge in build stability. This approach reduces the chance of defects appearing after the first few years of ownership when warranty coverage ends and repair costs become the owner's responsibility. Long-distance drivers often select this model for a specific reason. Once purchased, it typically stays in use for over a decade with only routine upkeep required. The transmission deserves special mention because it represents years of refinement rather than rushing to implement the latest technology. This conservative approach pays dividends in reliability statistics and owner satisfaction surveys year after year. Now for number one. And this choice might surprise you because it's not the most expensive or feature-packed option on the market. Sometimes the most reliable choice is also the smartest financial decision. The 2025 Toyota Corolla continues its reputation as a model built for endurance rather than flashy features. From drivetrain design to interior wear resistance, nearly every component is optimized for low failure rates rather than maximum performance or luxury appeal. Engine design remains basic yet refined, and the transmission is configured for smooth gear changes that protect internal parts over time rather than delivering aggressive performance. Build consistency across assembly locations ensures uniform performance regardless of which market the vehicle was manufactured for. This attention to manufacturing consistency shows up in reliability data, where Corollas from different plants perform similarly over time. The Corolla also stands out for its affordable maintenance costs, factor that significantly impact total ownership costs over a decade of use. Reports show this model continues to perform reliably well into the six-digit mileage range, with few cases of unexpected breakdowns that leave owners stranded. This makes it a practical choice for those seeking reliability without needing premium features or accepting high cost of ownership. The engineering behind this vehicle prioritizes longevity over luxury, and that approach delivers exactly what most drivers actually need from their transportation. These five vehicles represent different approaches to reliability, but they share common characteristics that set them apart from less dependable options. Each avoids unnecessary complexity, uses proven components, and prioritizes consistent performance over flashy features that might fail over time.